In this video, we're going to take you inside the beautiful Hayden Model by D.R. Horton here in Maury Heights community in Bowling Green, Virginia.
And you can help us out by liking the video, sharing the video, and subscribing to our channel.
Okay, before we go in, let me remind you, you can always call or text us if you have any questions about real estate, this community, or this model. And if you'd like us to bring you for a personal tour of this model, we'd be happy to do that as well. Call or text us.
So a little bit about this community. It's a great location here in Bowling Green. Actually kind of an even split for somebody who's commuting to Richmond or commuting to Fredericksburg. The community itself will have right around 60-65 homes when finished. There are actually 9 lots in here that could close before the end of December, and there are some great incentives that the builder's actually offering right now. 12 lots overall that are left, but 9 that can close before December. Gosh, the house is just beautiful inside. It actually has 5 bedrooms, which is hard to believe. You have 4 bedrooms upstairs, you have 1 on the main level. Above grade, you have about 2,500 square feet, actually a little over 2,500 square feet. And in the basement, or if you add the basement in, you have just over 3,000 square feet.
Okay, so that's the Hayden model by D.R. Horton, and this particular model is here in the Maury Heights community in Bowling Green. So like we said, call or text us if you have any questions, or if you'd like us to bring you to take a look at this property, we'd be happy to do that. Also, if you look in the description below, you'll find links to our quarterly things to consider when buying a home, things to consider when selling a home. Those are valuable resources because each quarter we update it based on what's happening in the market. So great information to have. So like, share, subscribe to our channel, and get your quarterly guide below if you're interested.